What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Diwali. Happy Diwali to all those who celebrate it. It started on Monday, I think. It's for 5 days, I believe. Today is the day where we actually eat sweets and everything like that. And then we are going to watch some firecrackers at a temple, like today evening. I'll be showing you guys that, so yeah. Oh, it's been a while since I used this. We're heading to the Veda temple for fireworks. As you can see, there are a lot of people here. We thought the temple would have firecrackers for everyone for display, but everyone was just bursting their own.